Hello friends, welcome to Fun Learn. Well, we are back with some fun maths tricks for you. Well, let me ask you something. Do you know what are squares? And do you struggle with the calculation of squares for large numbers? Well, when such kind of problems come, do you rush to get a calculator? Well, not anymore with this video. We are going to give you some quick tips on how to calculate the squares quickly for numbers ending in 5 and the numbers having only ones. Surprised? Well, wait and watch, and by the end of this video, you will be able to answer or calculate all the squares ending in number 5 or the squares for number 1 in a snap. So let's get started. But before we proceed, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you're always connected with us and get notifications of such fun videos coming your way.
Are squares? Well, a number multiplied to itself once is called the square of the number. And how is it indicated? Well, it is a number raised to the power of 2, something that you see here. 2 square would be 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. 3 square is 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. 4 square is 4 times 4, that is equal to 16. 5 square is 5 times 5, that is equal to 25. Well, this is very simple, but not as the numbers increase. It does get tough. Well, not with the magical 5. Yes, 5 has some magical powers that make our life easier in calculating the squares of all numbers ending in 5. You want to know how? Here we go. Let's take the square of 25. So 25 square is nothing but 25 times 25. Well, do you want to do this cumbersome calculation? Not if you can take this tip and do it mentally. So the way to do it is look at the number ending. It's ending in 5. So 5 needs to be in ones place for this trick. And now let's just calculate the square of 5, which is 25. So let's just park it here. Now we'll go to the number in tens place. What we need to do is multiply the tens place number with the number that comes after it. So 2 multiplied by 3, which comes after 2. So this gives us 6, and place the 6 on the left hand side of 25. So your answer to 25 times 25 is equal to 625. Do you want to repeat this magical 5 power for another number ending in 5? So let's look at 35 square, which is equal to 35 times 35. Now what did I say? Look at your ones place, which is 5. Make the square of 5, which is equal to 25, and park it aside. Now come to tens place. Now this is 3. Now to 3, multiply the number that comes after 3. That is 3 multiplied by 4, which is nothing but 12. Now place this 12 before 25. So your answer is 1225, which is the square of 35. If you don't believe me, try it on your calci and check it for yourself. Another one coming your way with the magical 5 power is the number ending in 5, that is 45 square, which is equal to 45 into 45. Well, now we don't need to do this calculation because we can mentally do. So looking at 5, get the square of 5, which is 25, park it aside, come to the tens place that has 4. So the number after 4 is 5. Multiply 4 and 5 together. That gives you 20. Place it before 25, and your answer is 2025, which is the square of 45. Let's try a little bit tougher thing in our magical 5 sequence, which is the number ending in 5, that is 115 square. This is tough. Are you confused? Well, don't be. 115 square is equal to 115 times 115. What do we do? The same rule. Look at the ones place, needs to be 5. Make the square of 5 and park it aside. Now look at the tens place, which is 11 tenths, right? So 11. Now multiply 11 with the number after 11, that is 11 multiplied by 12. This calculation is easy, you can work it out, and this will give you 132. Place it before 25, and this is your answer for 115 square, which is 13,225. Well, try this in a calci and amaze your friends. Wasn't that fun? Well, it's not over yet. In squares, there is another number which will really amaze you. Let's look at it. So the number that I bring to you which amazes in its squares is the magical 1. Well, yes, this rule is good for all numbers having only ones. For example, 1 square is equal to 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Well, you must be thinking what is so great about it. Wait and watch. So, 1 has just one digit. So, your answer is just 1. Let's look at 11 square, which is equal to 11 times 11. That is equal to 11 is a 2-digit number. So, you write the 2 in the center and reduce it to come to 1 on either side. So, your answer will be 121. What about 111 square, which this is equal to 111 times 111, which is equal to, this is a 3-digit number, so 3 will come in center and reducing to 2 to 1 on both sides. So your answer is 12321. Let's look at 1111 square, which is 1111 into 1111. That is equal to, now this is a 4-digit number, so 4 in the center, reducing down to 1 on either sides. So your answer is 1234321. Similarly, let's see at 11,111. Well, this is equal to 11,111 into 11,111. That is equal to, well, what will come next? You are right, it's a 5-digit number, so 5 comes in center and we reduce on both sides to 1. So your answer is 123454321. And this saga continues. Well, if you don't believe me, try it on the calculator. What fun tricks! Show it to your friends and get popular with these squares for 5 and 1s, which don't need you to use any calculator, and you can simply solve it using your mental maths. I hope you enjoyed this small tip on your square calculations. I will keep putting more such trivia fun videos for you. So do like and subscribe to this channel, and also write in to us with your suggestions on funlearningcoach@gmail.com. Till we meet again, take care.